Greetings of the day. Welcome to this guide on connecting the RAK wireless gateway to ChirpStack. Before we begin, ensure you have the following: a RAK wireless LoRa gateway. I'm using RAK7268V2, a ChirpStack network server that is installed and configured. This particular ChirpStack instance is already connected to the gateway. You should have access to gateway's web interface and internet connection for configuration. Now, first you have to connect your PC to RAK wireless gateway using the RAK SSID, and the default IP address will be 192.168.230.1. Make sure that they are in the same network. Now, the default login and password are both root. However, since I have already configured the gateway, my password is different. This is the LoRa gateway dashboard. In order to connect to the Wi-Fi, you can go to the network. From here, WAN, Wi-Fi, and then you can go to settings. You can scan for the available SSIDs, choose the one, put the password, and then you can also choose the protocol. I chose static address so that I can easily find out which IP address my gateway is on. You can choose DHCP if you can find the IP address from your gateway router. Now we will go to the configuration. Since we can see that here it is written configurations are managed by WisDM, because I registered my gateway with WisDM. In short, WisDM is a cloud service that manages RAK wireless gateways. So we will go to the WisDM IoT fleet management. Here I have created an organization. On the dashboard, we can see that one of the gateway is connected. We'll go to the locations. The gateway test is the name of the gateway that's connected to this location. This is the general configuration. This is the network configuration, which is important. You have to remember that the WisDM configuration dashboard is almost same as that of the RAK wireless device gateway. Now, these are important things. The work mode of the gateway will be packet forwarder. Frequency plan is based on the region. Since I'm in North America, I will use US N915. The gateway supports only 8 channel, therefore 8 channel is chosen. LoRaWAN public. Advanced frequency settings is important because the default channels that were selected were channel 8 to 15, channel 65, which was causing me problems when I sent join request through my LoRa buttons. And when I changed the channel to channel 0 to 7, the LoRa buttons connected immediately to my gateway. So make sure that you are using the frequency subband that is relevant. You will use LoRa Gateway MQTT Bridge. Now, LoRa Gateway MQTT Bridge parameters, the MQTT protocol is important because it depends on which version of ChirpStack you are using. In ChirpStack version 4, which I am using, there is no JSON support and only protocol support. Make sure that you know the MQTT broker address, that is the ChirpStack network server address on which there is MQTT broker. Now, MQTT broker port is 1883. I'm using the version 3.1.1, and you have to leave everything else as it is, and then you can click on save and apply. The gateway will automatically save and apply the changes and reboot itself. The MQTT broker address here that I have put is the public IP address of the ChirpStack server that I am running on the EC2 instance in AWS. If you are running your ChirpStack instance on a local network, make sure to put the right IP. Now we will focus on ChirpStack and how to add gateways in the ChirpStack. You go to the gateways on the left side. Since you can see here that my gateway is already connected, I will show you the process by adding a fake gateway. And submit. We can see that last seen is showing as never. When we go to the dashboard, we can see one of the gateways is online because the device ID is correct. The other one that I recently added is showing as never seen. But if you put the proper device ID of the device that you have gotten of the RAK wireless gateway, you will find that the ChirpStack will connect to it. Ensure that the ChirpStack IP and port are proper. I hope you had a great time, and if you like the video, do like and subscribe. Ask any questions that you have in the comments. Thank you.